हाँ तो बच्चों आज का हमारा टॉपिक होगा इक्वेशंस ऑफ मोशन, इनकी प्रूविंग ऑफ इक्वेशंस ऑफ मोशन। बट उससे पहले हम एक्स टी एंड वी टी ग्राफ को रिवाइज करते हैं फिर से शॉर्ट में। दिस वन इज एक्स एंड टी, एक्स टी ग्राफ। ओके, इन एक्स टी ग्राफ ये जो एंगल बन रहा है ग्राफ का, ये स्लोप कहा जाएगा। स्लोप मीन्स tan थीटा। यहाँ पर जो स्लोप होगा रिप्रेजेंट करेगा x अपॉन टी मीन्स वेलोसिटी को। ओके, इन वी टी ग्राफ वेलोसिटी एंड टाइम, slope is equal to tan theta is equal to tan theta means ये angle theta, then this side upon this side perpendicular upon base, the velocity upon time, it represent acceleration. In xt graph slope represent velocity, in velocity time graph slope represent acceleration, and also in velocity time graph area covered by the graph, this area covered by the graph represent displacement. How? Then see, area of triangle is half base into height. Base into height means time into velocity. Velocity into time is equal to displacement. Okay, so area means displacement in VT graph. Now come to equations of motion. V is equal to U plus AT. Second equation, S is equal to ut plus half at square, and third equation v square is equal to u square plus 2as. These are the three equations of motion in rectilinear motion, means straight line. Okay, here u is initial velocity, v is final velocity, a is acceleration, s displacement, and t is time. As usually we can use these symbols. And another equation of motion which is used for nth second or tth second, displacement in tth second. As in questions, numericals, an object covers some distance in fifth second. Fifth second means t is 5. So this equation will be st is equal to u plus half a 2t minus 1. This is special equation of motion. Generally there are three equations of motion, but this one is special case, displacement in tth second or nth second. For nth second, Sn is equal to u plus half a 2n minus 1. N or t here represent nth second or tth second means number of second. Okay, now proving of equations of motion. Here we draw a graph between velocity and time. Initially an object is at point A, this one is O. Here its speed is or velocity is u. After small t time it reaches here at point B. Now join this line and also draw a geometry on टाइम एक्सेस मीन्स नॉर्मल हमने इंसिडेंट कराए ए बी सी पैरेलल लाइन टाइम एक्सिस के पैरेलल में डी एंड ई. नाउ here this angle is theta means B पॉइंट पर इसकी वेलोसिटी v हो गई जो रिप्रेजेंट कर जाएगी वेलोसिटी एक्सेस पे. here at point A initial velocity is u and at point B final velocity is v. Object reaches from A to B in time small t 0 to t. Now we can calculate acceleration in vt graph is equal to slope. ये पर बताया था मैंने. In vt graph acceleration means slope of the graph. So acceleration is a is equal to slope means tan theta. A is equal to tan theta means side BD upon AD. BD upon AD. A is equal to BD. BD is equal to AC. This side is equal to AC. Upon this side AD is equal to OE. Then we can write AC. AC means OC minus OA. OC minus OA is equal to AC. Then AC की जगह पर हम लिखेंगे OC minus OA upon OE by putting the values. OC is small v minus OA means small u upon OE means t upon 1 cross multiply v minus u is equal to AT और v is equal to ये ट्रांसफर होकर इस तरफ जाएगा पॉजिटिव u plus AT. This is first equation of motion. Now second equation of motion. If we want to find out the displacement, then we have to calculate its area covered by the graph on time axis. तो displacement is equal to area covered by the graph. Displacement means S is equal to area. Area यहाँ पर हम निकालेंगे. This is triangle and this is rectangle. So the total area is area of a rectangle plus area of triangle. S is equal to area of rectangle means side OA into OE, length into breadth means this side and this side, plus area of triangle means half base this one AD into height BD. Now S is equal to OA into OE plus half ADS again is equal to AC So we can write AC into BD, sorry, AD. AD is OE. AD is OE and BD is AC. Okay, S is equal to OA into OE plus half AC. AC again, AC means यहाँ से आते हैं, AC can be written as OC minus OA. OC minus OA into OE as it is. Now putting the values, OE means small t into OA U. OA means U and OE means small t plus half OC minus OA. OC minus OA is V minus U and V minus U is equal to AT. पहले लिख लेते हैं V minus U into T. OE means T. Then S is equal to UT plus half V minus U. V minus U is, this one is V minus U is equal to AT into T as it is. So S is equal to UT plus half AT square. This is second equation of motion. Now third equation of motion. थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन कैसे, डायग्राम फिर से हम बनाते हैं, ग्राफ, वेलोसिटी एंड टाइम, दिस वन इज ए बी सी डी ओ ई, टाइम टी यू वी एंड एंगल थीटा. ओके, कंप्लीट. नाउ डिस्प्लेसमेंट अगेन, displacement is equal to area covered by the graph, this area again. Now we have to use complete area of trapezium, displacement as area of trapezium. Okay, trapezium, area of trapezium is half sum of parallel side, these are the two parallel side OA and BE. OA plus BE into parallel distance means height, means OE. Now S is equal to half OA as it is plus BE. BE is equal to OC and OE as it is. S is equal to, on putting the values in this equation, above equation, OA is U plus OA is U and OC is V into T. But from equation first, V is equal to U plus AT or V minus U is equal to AT और V minus U upon A is equal to T. A को भी हमने ट्रांसफर कर दिया, then V minus U is equal to AT, so V upon U is upon V minus U upon A is equal to T. T की वैल्यू यहाँ पर रखेंगे हम, then equation will be half U plus V into V minus U upon A. U plus V and V minus U, one time negative, one time positive, then we can write V square minus U square upon A. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, then V square minus U square is equal to 2AS और V square is equal to, ये ट्रांसफर इस तरफ, U square plus 2AS. Okay, this one is third equation of motion. Now special equation of motion, we can also derive that equation in time t, s is equal to ut plus half at square, इक्वेशन नंबर 1. सेकेंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन यूज़ करते हैं इसमें, इन t minus 1 time, it is in tth second, okay, t second and t minus 1 second, as t minus 1, second equation of motion will be u t minus 1 plus half a t minus 1 का स्क्वायर, ये सेकेंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. ध्यान से सुनना, कुछ स्पेशल नहीं है, नथिंग स्पेशल. in 5 seconds object reaches here, and in 6th second object reaches in this point, at this point 6th second. तो ये वाला हमारा कौन सा होगा? this one is 6th second. now displacement s t is equal to s minus s t minus 1, ये वाला और ये वाला. we can less this with this, so s t is equal to ut plus half at square minus u t minus 1 plus half a t minus 1 square. अब सिंपल कैलकुलेशन है, एस टी इज इक्वल टू यू टी प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वेयर माइनस यू टी, अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं यू का, माइनस यू प्लस हाफ ए स्क्वायरिंग टी स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस 2t, a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर. ऐसे ही अगेन एस टी इज इक्वल टू यू टी प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर माइनस, अभी सॉल्व कर लेते हैं बाद में एक स्टेप और, यू टी माइनस यू प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर, इसका भी अंदर मल्टीप्लाई प्लस हाफ ए माइनस, ये 2 से 2 कैंसिल होगा हमारा, ये 2 और ये 2 कैंसिल होगा, बचेगा ए टी. ओके, इस साइन के अंदर मल्टीप्लाई, देन एस टी इज इक्वल टू यू टी प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर माइनस यू टी प्लस यू माइनस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर माइनस हाफ ए प्लस ए टी. something cancelled out with each other. Anything else? ut and ut. st is equal to this u माइनस प्लस, ये टर्म पहले लिख लेते हैं, ए टी माइनस हाफ ए. एस टी इज इक्वल टू यू प्लस हाफ ए इज कॉमन in these two terms. Half a is common, then at upon half a, जिसे कॉमन किया जाता है उसे डिवाइड भी किया जाता है, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा हमारा 2t, ये 2 ऊपर चला जाएगा, माइनस हाफ ए से कॉमन करेंगे पूरा 1 होगा, और हमारा ये इक्वेशन एस टी इज इक्वल टू यू प्लस हाफ ए 2t माइनस 1 आ जाता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, I hope all of you can understand these equations of motion. Now, these equations of motion are also understood by integral method और simple method. दोनों मेथड हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बनाएंगे. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू, नमस्कार.